Thank you for choosing Advia Credit Union. Follow along to learn how to easily find and get pre-approved for your next vehicle with AutoSMART. Get started at adviacu.org/AutoSMART. Within AutoSMART, you can search the inventory of Advia's dealer partners, customize your search for a specific vehicle, and get pre-approved for an auto loan. To start, choose Search Our Cars, then select if you'd like a new or used vehicle. After that, enter your zip code for our dealer partners near you. Next, choose the make and model of the vehicle you're looking for. Not sure? You can select vehicle type for a more general search. From there, you can view the inventory of our dealer partners and see what option is best for you. Pro tip: choose from one of our Plus dealer partners for an improved buying experience. Once you find your desired vehicle, you can select to see more photos, view vehicle details, safety information, and more. After, you can either contact the dealer directly, schedule a test drive, or ask a question. Not already pre-approved with Advia? Easily apply with a simple click. You may already be pre-approved for an auto loan. To check, log into digital banking and click Accept My Offers. Do you want to see how much your estimated payment will be? Head to the Financing tab to calculate your estimated monthly payment. Once you have found your ideal finance option, you can click View Inventory to find vehicles at that price near you, or simply apply for an Advia loan for that same amount. By using AutoSMART, you're able to contact and search the inventory of Advia's dealer partners, calculate your payment, and apply for an auto loan pre-approval certificate. All this makes purchasing your vehicle at the dealership with an Advia auto loan even easier and smarter. Get started today at adviacu.org/AutoSMART. Advia Credit Union. Real advantages for real people.